Good morning, everyone. I've just done my face, my foundation and the bronzers you can see in the highlighter. In this video today I'm going to use the palette I've never used, which is the Revolution I Like Angels. This is the palette I'm using. I've never used it and I think it's beautiful colors inside. There you go. They're beautiful colors and I have 20 minutes before I go to work, so I thought in today's video I might start series like that, like quick makeup for work. So today is the day makeup for work and I'm wearing something black. I will show you what I'm wearing, so I need to do something like that. This is what I'm wearing today. So we need to do something like to combine like a natural makeup or very dark black, but it's for the day, so I'm not gonna do the black one, definitely. Okay, so we're going to first do the base. Let's see if this palette has a base color. I think as a base I can use that one here, which they have a numbers. It's Peach Cream, that's the name of it. Of course I have already applied the base for the eyeshadow. I've used Freedom base, eye base. This is the one I've used. It's not that expensive, so it's very easy to buy. You can find it in Superdrug. Okay, first impression. They're blending really well. You can see that. Very nice. Okay, then after that I'm going to use this color, which is the chocolate one. I think they're really good, these eyeshadows. Right, and the last color we're going to apply, we need something brighter for the middle of the eye. This one here, which is the name is Award. That sounds very pretty. Okay, let's see. Okay, I think I love applying the middle of the eye with my fingers, to be honest, guys, because I think the pigment is so much better when I apply it with the finger. So that's what we're gonna do, and we save time at the same time. Okay, and I have to, oh my, I have 10 minutes, guys, to finish, and I haven't done my eyebrows, so we're gonna have to hurry up. 10 minutes. Right, final touch, blending with clean brush. Let's just clean it up. There you go, we'll clean it up. So under the eye, same colors we use, the brownish, we put together brown and the peach, the chocolate and the peach. We just put it under the eye. There you go. When the eyes are done, we need the eyebrows and the mascara. Sometimes when you don't overthink it, actually it works. Sometimes when you try to do it very good, it does not happen. Baby, I have to get up. My boyfriend has to get up. Can you get up, please? So this is the makeup, guys. This is the quick day makeup. Okay guys, so I'm ready. I'll just curl my eyelashes a little bit. I'm ready to go to work. That makeup took exactly, with the face, the foundation and everything, it took exactly 30 minutes, and together with the hair, because I fixed my hair as well. That's how I'm going. You've seen my outfit. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe.